Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Microsoft Teams. In Microsoft Teams, if Microsoft Teams is displaying the wrong language, you can change it in just a few steps. The exact options may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the desktop, web, or mobile app. Open Microsoft Teams, then sign into your account. Next, click the three dots beside your profile in the top right corner. Then from here, select Settings. Now on the left side, select General. Once you click General, scroll down and look for Language. Under Language and Regional Formats, turn Follow OS Settings off if you want Teams to use a different language than your computer. You can turn that off. Then you can access App Language. Hover over to app language and select your preferred app language. Choose a language from the drop down menu and click on it. Then click Save and Restart. Click Save and Restart to apply the new language. And that's it. Now, if the language option isn't available, Teams usually follows your phone system language. Change your device language in settings, then reopen Teams. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.